Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem, reverse words in a string 2. So for this problem, we are giving a string, and we're gonna reverse each of the words. So for example, this is gonna be the first word. Yeah. So actually, this is reverse. It doesn't mean exactly we're gonna reverse the word. We're gonna reverse the word positions. It's gonna be reversed together. So this is THE, the, gonna be here. It's gonna be at the end. And this blue at the end is gonna be at the beginning. Yeah. We're gonna have many different ways to solve it, but the problem is that we must solve it in place. This means we cannot allocate any extra space. So definitely it's gonna be a in place reverse. So let me first define function first, because we're gonna use this function later on. I'm gonna call it sub reverse. So this is just a normal reverse. So I'm gonna have I and j. Yeah. So this is what I need to do, and I'm gonna reverse some characters inside the string s. So what I gonna do? I'm gonna use a while loop to check, because this is just a reverse. I'm gonna use two pointers. So while I less than j, so this means si sj gonna equal to sj si, and then I gonna plus equal to 1 and j gonna minus equal to 1. So this is just a basic reverse. For example, if I have some characters like TAC, yeah, so this is I and this is the j, so this e gonna be here, and it's gonna be the same, and here gonna be the t. So this is just this is just a sub reverse. Why I prepare that? Because I'm gonna reverse the string first. So after I reverse the string, basically the position for the blue is okay, but it becomes EULB. So this means I need to reverse this EULB and let it become blue. Yeah. So now let's just start solving the problem. So we're gonna use in place reverse for the string s. Yeah. Now it is reversed, and let's just check the string s. So for I say in enumerate s. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna check the character. If this character is an empty string, so it means we're gonna run the function. It's gonna call sub reverse. So I'm gonna prepare a pre-character. This means my index before it. So the pre-index with my current index is gonna be I minus 1. Yeah, because I find something empty. So for example, here is empty. I need to use I minus 1 as my right pointer, and my left pointer gonna be the pre. So this pre, I'm gonna set it as 0 from the beginning. So after that, I'm gonna update the pre. So this time, yeah, because there's no empty string at the beginning or at the end of the characters. So this is why we can set the previous index equal to 0. Yeah. Now our pre gonna become I plus 1. So finally, we don't need to return, because this is the in place operation. Yeah. It didn't work. Let's just check what happens. Yeah, because as you can see, actually we did some reverse. This is blue, is sky, it's okay, but the last one is not okay, because we didn't finish the last one. Yeah, because we are checking the empty characters, but for the last one, there's no empty characters. So this means we still need to run the function for the last time. After we run it for the last time, it's gonna be okay. It didn't. It didn't. Let me think about it. Why it didn't work? Yeah, this is interesting. I think I need to run it for the last time. So what if I didn't run it? Let's just check the first example. This is the EST. So what if I run it? So this pre is updated, so this is okay. But this I minus 1 is not okay. Yeah, because for the last time I prepared the pre, but my I minus 1 is not okay, because definitely it means I didn't run it. Yeah, so this means I'm gonna use n minus 1 as my last one. So this means I'm going to prepare n going to be the length of the string. Yeah. So this is going to be the last one. This means I'm going to still reverse the last one. It's going to become THE. Now let me just run it. Now as you can see it works, and let me just submit it. As you can see now it's passed for all testing cases, and it's pretty fast, and the time complexity is ON. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Because this n going to be 10 to the power 5. This means we have to use ON to solve the problem.